Hi, everyone, I'm Richard, the great supervisor of Willowdale High School residents. I am excited to introduce a new system to minimize the use of plastic cups within our residence. By encouraging each resident to use their own cup, we can collectively contribute to significant benefits for the residents, including cost savings on water bills, and a reduction in dishwashing time. To facilitate this effort, I will be installing a cup drying rack on the dining table. This rack is designed to provide a convenient and hygienic place for you to keep your personal cups. By placing your cup on the drying rack, you can easily access it whenever you want to enjoy a refreshing drink of water. I kindly request your cooperation and support in making this initiative a success. Let's work together to create a more sustainable and efficient residence living experience. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this initiative, please feel free to reach out. I appreciate your commitment to making our residence a better place for everyone.